Hey guys, it's Brittany Winery with the Wolek Group at Keller Realty. I am out here in Bixby in the awesome neighborhood of Providence Hills. Let's take a walking tour. So this home was built in 2013. It is so beautiful. It is well landscaped, full brick home with an awesome 3-car garage. And this neighborhood's amazing. There are so many awesome amenities. They have splash pads, parks, ponds, all kinds of fun stuff. So let's head on inside and check out this home. So as we walk in, you have this beautiful hardwood tile. This great, nice entry. It's so pretty. And this first room here we have is a bonus room plus a guest bathroom. So lots of space as you walk in. They have this awesome like cutout for decor, and as you can see, she is an oiler, so lots of essential oils. And you have this great office space or bonus area. Lots of natural light with those great big windows. So they've created like a lounge with a nice big couch, art area for the kids, and these great barn doors for this closet. So cute. And as we walk out here, you have a linen closet, really great size guest bathroom, full bath, that beautiful hardwood tile. As we turn around here, we come into the main living area. So they have wonderful lighting fixtures throughout the entire home. They're gorgeous. Another bonus room, or this could serve as like a formal dining. They have turned it into this really cute area for storage with this awesome built-in shelving. And again, those amazing window treatments. They're really beautiful. You need to see them in person. And then we'll come in here, check out the living space. Again, lots of natural light in here. They have these really cool fans throughout the home in the bedrooms as well. So pretty. And then we have this awesome kitchen. Huge island. Really beautiful. Lots of cabinet space. Nice pantry. Really nice appliances, stainless steel, really great brand. And then this awesome nook space. And it's quite a large area. You could put a full dining table in there. That way you could use the other space, kind of like how they have it currently set up. So cute. So the master's over here. It's a split bedroom plan, but let's go check out the guest bedrooms first. So we're gonna come back down this hallway, and you have this great big hallway. So a drop zone space for bags and books and shoes, more closet space, lots and lots of storage, a great laundry room with built-in storage, and of course your garage. Then we come down here to one of the guest bedrooms. Again, a super cool ceiling fan in there. Great room, great natural light, nice big windows, great walk-in closets. More linen space. And then another bedroom, so another guest bedroom. Super cute, adorable window treatments. And another guest bathroom that services these bedrooms. I love that sign. So cute. And again, that hardwood tile is carried throughout all the main walking areas and living areas, and carpet in the bedrooms. So let's go check out the master. So this home's 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, sits on a 0.22 acre lot, which is a great size for a neighborhood lot. So master bedroom, tray ceiling, double windows, lots of natural light in here as well. Great little closet over there, and then you come in here and you have master bath, double vanity, nice big tub. And here's the real closet. Check out the amazingness in this closet. I mean, it keeps going on and on and on. It's amazing. And it even wraps around over here. So more storage. So much good stuff. So let's go check out the backyard, which is just as amazing as this home. So back here you have this nice patio, and what they've done is extend the concrete out forever and ever and ever. And you have this great pergola space with that adorable lighting and just such a good area to entertain. This backyard is so awesome. It's got plenty of room for toys and all kinds of things. Nice big tree. And of course, more patio space over here. It is so beautiful. I can't get over how awesome this backyard is. The house plus the backyard is just so perfect. So for more information on this home, contact the Wolek Group.